home, and this is one of the units that we have available here. This is your compound, and you see how spacious it is. This can park like conveniently 3 vehicles, and it still has spaces down to the back there. There's an exit door to the kitchen right there. Come on in. This particular unit have been paid for. Okay, so and if you look around, you see that this is the guest toilets here. All good. This is the living area. You see that this person has their equipment here already. Then you see the kitchen. This is the kitchen, well, fully fitted. Take a look at it. And that's the exit door I was showing you outside the other time. And there is one of the rooms here. All the rooms are in suites. Okay, so with your closets. Then we'll go upstairs. I mean, this is the place you are really meant to go. I can bet that with you. So here is the family's lounge that you can use, you and your family. These houses are the other 3 rooms, the masters and the 2 other rooms. So this is one of the rooms too. Wow, nicely done, good materials, and really great. And this is another room too. Okay, and all of the rooms have similarities. I mean, you can have a very better view of the whole estate. And this is the masters. Come see the finishing in the washroom. Right? You have a jacuzzi bathtub here. Well, nicely done. I mean, seeing the WC, and so you gain entrance to your sitters here too. Okay? So, and from here you can have a better view of the whole estate. So I will posting the prices in the caption for you to have a view of it. Meanwhile, we have a payment plan of up to 12 months, that's 1 year for you to pay. Get this now and be glad that you did. My name is Taiwo Idowu from Just Drone Realtors. Thank you.